While the stock market is having a complete emotional breakdown in 2025, swinging 500 points in a day like some deranged financial pinball machine, there's a group of people who are literally collecting paychecks from the chaos. They're not praying for the market to go up. They're not checking their portfolios every 30 seconds like addicts. They're not following TikTok trading gurus who blow up accounts faster than they can create new ones. They're doing something so ridiculously simple that when I first discovered it, I thought it was too boring to work. Today, I'm exposing the 3 underground methods that are turning 2025's market insanity into the most reliable wealth-building system you've ever seen. This works whether you're a complete beginner or you've been getting burned by the market for years. Let's be brutally honest. The stock market in 2025 feels like being trapped in a financial horror movie, doesn't it? One minute, the AI stocks are soaring, and you're feeling like the next Warren Buffett. 2 hours later, everything's crashing because some Fed official sneezed wrong, and you're Googling, how to explain stock losses to my family. It's like being locked in a casino where the slot machine is connected to your retirement account. Every green day gets your adrenaline pumping. Every red day makes you question why you didn't just buy gold and bury it in your backyard. But here's the secret that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. While you're riding this emotional roller coaster from hell, there's an entire shadow economy of investors who figured out how to get paid by the market's bipolar episodes. They've weaponized volatility. They've turned market madness into monthly income. And they're about to share their playbook with you. The first money printer is what I call becoming a chaos dividend collector. Picture this. Imagine owning a slice of every single money-making machine in America. When you buy an S&P 500 index fund, you don't just own one company, you own a piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA, and 496 other profit-generating machines. Every time these companies make money, you make money. Here's what made my jaw drop. While everyone else was having panic attacks about whether Tesla would go up or down, Linda just collected her quarterly payments like clockwork. She owns pieces of 500 companies, so even if 50 of them fail, she's still making money from the other 450. The beautiful part? You can start with $100. One click gets you ownership in every major American company. No research required, no stock picking, no gambling on individual companies that might blow up tomorrow. But here's where it gets genius. The more the market goes crazy, the more opportunities you get to buy these money machines at discount prices. While everyone else is selling in panic, you're buying their shares for pennies on the dollar. Linda's exact words to me. I stopped trying to predict the market and started owning all of it. Best financial decision I ever made. Now I collect money while everyone else loses their minds. Strategy number 2 is pure evil genius. I call it being a panic profit buyer. This is where you literally profit from other people's fear and stupidity. Think about this. Every time the market crashes, the financial media goes insane. Market collapse, recession incoming, sell everything now. And what do most people do? They panic, sell their stocks at exactly the wrong time. But here's the secret. Those stocks don't disappear. They just go on sale. And smart money goes shopping. Here's a mind-blowing example. In March 2020, when everyone was panic selling because of COVID, Mark set up automatic purchases. Every week, while people were selling their Apple stock for $60 a share, Mark was buying it. Today, that same stock is worth over $180. The genius part? You don't even need to time it perfectly. You just set up automatic monthly investments. Say $500 every month. And the system buys more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. It's like having a money robot that works harder when everyone else is losing their minds. The more chaos, the more profit. The more panic, the more shares you get for your money. Mark told me, I used to try to time the market. Now I let the market's bipolar episodes work for me. Every crash is just a discount sale where I get to buy millionaire-making companies for bargain prices. The third strategy is where things get absolutely insane. I call it building your compound wealth machine. This is where your money starts making money, and that money makes more money, creating a wealth snowball that eventually becomes unstoppable. Picture this scenario. You invest $300 every month into your chaos-proof portfolio. That's $10 a day, less than most people waste on coffee and fast food. After 1 year, you've got $3,600 plus some growth. Not exciting yet, right? But here's where the magic happens. That money starts working for you. It's earning money while you sleep, work, or binge watch Netflix. Jessica started this exact strategy 5 years ago at age 25. She invested $300 monthly. Nothing crazy. Today, her account has $47,000. She put in $18,000, but her money made an extra $29,000 for her. But here's the part that will blow your mind. If Jessica keeps this up until age 65, that $300 monthly turns into $1.8 million. She'll invest $144,000 total, but compound growth creates the other $1.65 million. The secret sauce? She never tries to time the market, never chases hot stocks, never follows TikTok trading advice. She just feeds her wealth machine $300 every month and lets compound growth do what it does best: create millionaires. Jessica's strategy is beautiful. I stopped trying to beat the market and started letting the market work for me. Every month I feed the machine, and every month it gets stronger. It's like having a money printer that gets more powerful over time. Before you start planning your early retirement party, let me drop a reality bomb that could save your financial life. Every single one of these strategies can make you wealthy. Every single one can also fail if you're stupid about it. The stock market doesn't care about your feelings, your bills, or your dreams. It will take every dollar you give it if you don't respect the game. Here's the brutal truth that separates winners from losers. Never invest money you can't afford to lose completely. These strategies work, but they're not savings accounts. They're wealth-building systems that require patience, discipline, and balls of steel. The biggest mistake I see: people putting their emergency fund into stocks because they want to maximize returns. Then the market crashes, they need the money, and they're forced to sell at exactly the wrong time. Start with money you won't need for at least 5 years. Test with amounts that won't change your life if they disappear. Learn the systems. Then scale up when you understand what you're doing. The golden rule: if losing the money would keep you awake at night, don't invest it. Wealth building requires sleep well at night money, not mortgage payment money. Here's your step-by-step blueprint to start profiting from market chaos. Week 1. Open a brokerage account with Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Buy your first $100 of a total stock market index fund. Feel the system working. Week 2. Set up automatic monthly investments. Start with whatever you can afford: $50, $100, $300. The amount matters less than the consistency. Week 3. Ignore the financial news. Unfollow trading influencers on social media. Stop checking your account daily. You're building wealth, not playing a video game. Week 4. Increase your monthly amount if possible. Add any extra money, tax refunds, bonuses, side hustle income, to your wealth machine. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to build a money system that pays you while everyone else is having emotional breakdowns over market movements. These strategies work because they tap into the fundamental truth of capitalism. Over time, productive businesses make money, and if you own pieces of those businesses, you make money. You're not betting on individual companies. You're not trying to predict the future. You're not gambling on market timing. You're systematically building wealth while everyone else is playing financial roulette. The difference between market victims and market victors isn't luck, it's strategy. Victims try to predict the unpredictable. Victors profit from the predictable chaos. Your stocks don't have to be some gambling addiction that gives you heart palpitations every time you check your phone. They can be a collection of wealth-building machines that pay you while you live your actual life. Here's my challenge. Pick one of these strategies and test it with a small amount this week. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is when you stop being a market victim and start being a chaos profit collector. The pinball machine's still broken, but now it's rigged to pay you. The 2025 market is going to be absolutely insane. AI hype, political uncertainty, Fed policy changes, inflation fears. It's going to be a wild ride. You can either be a passenger getting thrown around by the chaos, or you can be the driver profiting from everyone else's panic. Drop a comment below and tell me which strategy you're testing first. Are you going chaos dividend collector, panic profit buyer, or compound wealth machine builder? If this video just changed how you think about the stock market forever, smash that like button and share it with someone who's tired of losing money to Wall Street's emotional manipulation games. This is Wealth Leverage Lab, where we turn market chaos into monthly cash flow. Stop being the victim. Start being the victor.